Let's review some of the implications of this information for managers. First and foremost, know that emotions are a natural part of the workplace. Years ago, it was thought that emotions had no place in the workplace. But today we know that regardless of what we want, what we expect, emotions exist and they influence attitudes and behaviors and can be influenced by things in the work environment. Events, people, objects, like an annoying printer. There is no way to create an emotion-free environment. It's not possible or natural for people to suppress their emotions all of the time. Hire positive, optimistic people. Choose people whom others are drawn to. Their optimism is going to be a strength when the times get tough. To encourage effective decision-making, creativity, and motivation, managers need to model positive emotions and moods. Emotional contagion means that positive and negative emotions can rub off on other people. If a manager is in a good mood, it increases the likelihood that other people will also be in a positive mood. And negative moods breed negative moods. Provide people with positive, constructive feedback. Encourage people. Say thank you. Tell them what they're doing right, even when you're telling them what needs to be corrected. All of these strategies are going to be especially important when the job involves emotional regulation and emotional labor. Customer service representatives need to be encouraged sometimes to remain positive and optimistic and express those positive emotions. Customer service jobs can be tough because you're dealing with disgruntled, unhappy, sometimes angry people. Managers of these jobs need to be extra diligent in supporting their employees.